Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Mafia The Old Country. Game is crashing, not launching, GPU crash, dumb triggered error, and Unreal process has crashed, UE-Mafia The Old Country crash error, or the Mafia The Old Country game is not launching or not opening issue on PC. So here follow the steps to fix the issue. First solution is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Mafia The Old Country game and select properties. In the launch option type -DX11 and close the tab. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and in the launch option type -DX12 and then check. If it's still not working, then remove the command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website, and if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website. So go to this website, and once you are on NVIDIA website, now here you have to select your model number. You have to select the graphic card driver and their model number of your PC, and then select the Windows. If you have Windows 10, then click Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, then click Windows 11 and then click on find. The latest version is 580.88. so whatever the latest version, you have to download and install them. So click on view, click on download, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver, you can restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Third solution is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this website. This is a Microsoft official website. Link is given in the video description. You have to install both x86 and x64 files and launch both of them one by one. And if you see install option, then install it, and if you see a repair option, then repair it, and then you can launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to disable hardware acceleration. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on system, then click on display, then graphics, and disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and then you can launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to run Mafia The Old Country game as an administrator. To do so, open Steam, go to library and right click on Mafia The Old Country game and select manage browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. The location is C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Mafia The Old Country folder. Now open Mafia The Old Country folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Right click on Mafia The Old Country exe file and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply and hit OK. Then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to modify the compatibility settings. Again go to compatibility tab and this time check run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 from the drop down. Hit apply OK, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to compatibility tab and from the drop down in the compatibility mode section select Windows 7, hit apply OK, then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not fixed, then again go to compatibility tab and this time select disable full screen optimization as well, then hit apply OK, and then launch the game and check. If this fix does not work, then uncheck all these three boxes. Uncheck run this program in compatibility mode 4, uncheck disable full screen optimization, and uncheck run this program as an administrator, then hit apply OK and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Seventh solution is to delete config folder. But before deleting the config folder, please take a backup of this folder to the desktop because it will delete all these saved settings of your game. So to delete the config folder, go to C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data, if you don't see app data, then click on view, so hidden item, then open app data folder, local folder, open Mafia The Old Country folder, open the saved folder, then right click on config folder and delete it. Now launch the game and check. Its solution is to verify integrity of game files. So simply open Steam and go to library, right click on the Mafia The Old Country game and select properties. Now go to install files tab and click on verify integrity of game files, and once the verification of the game files has been done, you can launch the game and check problem is fixed or not. So by this way you can fix the crashing issue, GPU crash, dump triggered error, and Unreal process has crashed, UE-Mafia The Old Country game crash error, or the game is not launching or not opening error on your PC. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.